If Discord is showing error code 2014, don't worry. In this video, I'll walk you through the simplest fixes step by step so you can get back to using Discord normally. This issue can happen because of a temporary glitch, a permissions problem, a rendering bug, or even corrupted cache files, so we're going to go through the most effective fixes in the right order. If this video helps, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more quick Discord troubleshooting tutorials. First, completely restart your setup. This means fully quitting Discord, not just minimizing it or closing the window. On Windows, make sure Discord is completely shut down from the system tray if needed, then reopen it. If that doesn't help, do a full power cycle. Turn off your router and your device, wait about 30 seconds, then turn everything back on. This clears out temporary network glitches that may be causing Discord error code 2014. Next, try running Discord as an administrator. Find the Discord desktop shortcut, right-click it, and choose Run as Administrator. This gives Discord the permissions it may need to access your screen, webcam, or other features properly. If the error was caused by a permissions issue, this simple step can fix it right away. After that, let's toggle hardware acceleration. Open Discord and go to User Settings, then scroll down and click Advanced. Find Hardware Acceleration and turn it off. Restart Discord if prompted, then go back and turn it on again. Toggling this setting can clear out rendering bugs that sometimes trigger error code 2014, especially if Discord is struggling with display or interface issues. Now let's clear the Discord cache. Press Windows key plus R on your keyboard, type %appdata% and press Enter. In the folder that opens, find the Discord folder and delete it. Then press Windows key plus R again, type %localappdata% and press Enter. Find the Discord folder there too and delete it as well. This removes corrupted temporary files that can interfere with how Discord launches and functions. After deleting the cache folders, restart your computer and open Discord again. In many cases, that is enough to fix the issue completely. If Discord error code 2014 is still happening, repeat the steps carefully and make sure Discord is fully closed before trying again. Also check that your device and Discord app are fully updated, because outdated software can sometimes create unexpected errors. The good news is that these fixes are safe, fast, and usually solve the problem without needing any advanced troubleshooting. So to recap, fully restart Discord and your device, run Discord as administrator, toggle hardware acceleration, and clear the Discord cache from both AppData folders. If this tutorial helped you fix Discord error code 2014, don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more easy tech fixes. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.